Let me guess, you love the Midhurst feel, you're in love with the old school community here, but you're looking for a turnkey package like this one right behind me?
With a gorgeous interior that's been renovated to perfection, with designer finishes and features, all that and more on today's episode. So Chad, today we find ourselves back in the wonderful community of Midhurst, and you happen to know this area really well. Why don't you share a little bit about this location with us?
That's right, Jules. We actually call this community home as well. I absolutely love it. I love the old school charm. I love the location. You're about a 3-minute drive to Bayfield Street. Kids, they are on these streets non-stop, whether it's looking for trails or the ski resort down the road or golf. Anything that you want is out here. It is a perfect little paradise.
Wow, Chad, you really sold me on the location.
I sure hope I did, Jules.
Let's take a moment to talk about this beautiful home. It's just shy of 2,500 square feet and it's been renovated to perfection. We've got all kinds of extras like a butler's walk-in pantry, a homework nook, and a kitchen that's fit for a chef. We've also got renovated bathrooms, 4 bedrooms up, and lots of designer finishes. We can't wait for you to see this one. Let's head inside and take a closer look.
Like we mentioned outside, equally impressive. Inside is the updates as well, from the beverage center, coffee station over there, to the nice oversized island, quartz countertops, gorgeous stainless steel appliance package. But one thing that is very unique to Midhurst is a butler's pantry. That is one of my most favorite things. I love that.
That spectacular kitchen that Chad describes flows seamlessly into this living space where walls have been taken down, creating an open concept, airy feeling home. It's also bathed in natural light as windows wrap around the entire back of the house. My favorite feature about this living space has to be the office nook. It's the perfect spot for kids to do their homework and you can still keep an eye on them. When you're finished helping them with all those science projects, you can curl up on the couch, watch a movie, and enjoy the fireplace. The main floor is rounded out by a home office conveniently located at the front door, a 2-piece powder room, and a laundry room with plenty of storage and functionality.
Now as you make your way up to the second level, you're going to notice the oak staircase that goes all the way from the bottom all the way to the top. It's really stunning, not to mention the nice detail on the wall as well. 4 bedrooms up here and a nice bath behind me as well.
Several of the bedrooms include feature walls for that added detail and design, but my 2 favorite features are right here in the primary retreat. They are an oversized walk-in closet and a spa-like bathroom, complete with freestanding tub and oversized glass shower.
Now, one of the other things I love about Midhurst is the lot sizes. Out back, you have a nice flat playing field. Whether it's kids in sports or you're looking for a pool, you're gonna love the size of this backyard.
This home really does have it all. And just to recap, we're just shy of 2,500 square feet of perfection. It's been fully remodeled and has contemporary finishes with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This is the one to call home. We're the Knowles Woolsey team.
And we know Midhurst. For more information on this listing and more like, visit our website.